In this video, we are going to upgrade a Windows 8 operating system to Windows 11. So if I go to, let me just open the run command and enter the following. Here you can see that this is actually a Windows 8 operating system. But first of all, you want to try to update your Windows 8, which still got updated. And again, here I've already mounted my Windows 11 to this device. You can see this is a Windows 11 operating system. And first of all, you want to make sure that your device is compatible with Windows 11. And for this training purpose, I actually installed Windows 8 on a virtual machine on a VMware Workstation Pro. And you can see I've already added the trusted platform module. And again, if I go to option advanced, you can also see that I'm using the UEFI enable secure boot. And also, I'm also increased this memory to about to 8 gigabytes, and the processor, you can see I'm using a 2-core processor. If your device is not compatible with Windows 11, of course, the installation is going to fail. So what we are going to do next is we are going to start the installation process from this DVD. Just click yes. So let's just wait for the installation process to start. Here we go. It says install Windows 11. You can also change how setup, download, update. I don't want to help make this installation better, so I'm going to click next. So it's going to check for update, and then we can continue. So here you'll be requested to provide a product key for your Windows 11. But if you have a product key for Windows 10, that will still work. So I'm going to actually click next, and then it's checking your PC to see if you meet the requirement. And then let's accept the license terms and make sure you are ready to install. So let's just wait to continue the installation process. Here we go. Right now it says ready to install. So I'm going to say install, and in the installing process, you can see this is going to install a Windows client operating system on our device. So it's going to go from 1% to 100%, and then we can restart our device and Windows 11 will be installed. So, well, my name is Kelvin Johnson, and please, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. So if you're having any question, you can always send me a message and I'll reply to you as quick as possible. So this is just a short video to show you that the installation of Windows 11 on a Windows 8 device that is compatible. Please don't forget your device must be compatible with Windows 11. If not, the installation is going to fail. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more video like this or more Windows Server, Microsoft Intune, Office, or general IT issues videos. Thank you very much for your time and goodbye.